Hey there, let's make a beautiful coloring book together using MockoFun. First, go to MockoFun and click on Create to start a new document. Set the size to 8.5 by 11 inches. Next, click on Upload, then upload your image to add your photo. Make sure your photo is clear, high quality, and not too cluttered. This baby photo, for example, is perfect for a coloring page. Now, click on the AI Edit button. Then choose your preferred AI model. Any of them will work, so just pick the one you like best. In the prompt box, type, "Turn this image into a line art coloring page." Then click Generate. Once your image is converted, you can fine-tune it if you want to make small adjustments. Use filters, then add highlights and shadows. Next, go to Properties, then Vectorize, and select Contour to turn your image into clean vector line art. Adding text is totally optional. Click on the text tool, pick a template, add text, pick a font you like. Bold fonts usually look great for coloring projects. From text style, add an outline. Now, open Canvas settings and add the number of pages you want for your book, one for each photo. Repeat the same process to turn all your photos into line art pages. Finally, go to Download and choose the PDF option for printing. And that's it. Your very own coloring book is ready to go. Great job, and have fun creating more.